Hello everyone and welcome to the Top Apps Tech. Today I want to show you the good app of the food that its name is SideChef Recipes. It's actually the best app. It's about the meal plans and grocery shopping. I recommend all of you guys to download the app and enjoy from it. It's available in both App Store and Play Store. It's about 38.8 MB in iOS and less Android. Before opening, subscribe to my channel and press the ring bell. Let's open it. SideChef. In this app, we should log in first and SideChef cook with confidence. So I'm going to skip it for now. Wait, are you sure? You will miss out the personalized content and saving our delicious recipe. Yes, I'm sure. So, and here we have all the recipes, the daily inspiration, the raisin coconut cashew bars, and here we have the meal plans made easy, trending now. That you can see that it's the video that you can see and make from it. It's look very delicious. Spanish beans with tomato and onions, and then here we have the explore hola senorita. We have different things in here that we can make it. We have the videos, the other things. We have the saved, and we can save the recipes in here. And here we have the meal plan. For meal plan we have to sign in, and here we have the grocery. For grocery too we should sign in, and anyone who want to download the app, he or she should sign in to it and enjoy the meal plan and grocery. So I recommend all of you guys to download the app and enjoy from this amazing app. Thanks for watching.